Here are 5 things you need to know about USCIS immigration interviews. The first thing, make sure you bring all the required documentation to the interview. For example, always bring your interview notice and your identification documents. And depending on the type of case that you're getting interviewed for, there will likely be additional documents that you'll have to bring. The second thing, look presentable. So I get asked this question all the time about what people should wear to interviews. There's no dress code or anything like that. If you want to look extra fancy, that's fine. But if you want to just wear jeans, that's totally fine too. The third thing, when the officer asks you questions, make sure to answer them truthfully. If you don't remember or you don't recall, just say that. Don't make anything up because then that's lying. And don't ramble on either. Just answer what the officer's asking. The fourth thing, after the interview, the officer could do one of 3 things. The officer could approve you on the spot. The second thing is the officer might say, I need some additional time before I can come to a decision. And then the officer will either make a decision later, or the officer could ask for additional evidence, which there will be a deadline as to when you need to submit the evidence by. The third thing is that the officer could just issue a request for evidence because something is missing from your file, and again, there will be a deadline. And the fifth thing, it's totally okay to be nervous, and it's completely normal. So I hope these tips were helpful, and if you have an upcoming interview, good luck.